Starting a YouTube channel in 2026 is actually easier than ever, but most people feel because they start the wrong way. I'm going to show you exactly how to start a YouTube channel, even if you have no channel, no experience with 0 subscribers. At the end of this video, you're going to know how to create your channel. So, if you have been thinking of starting a channel in 2026, this video is for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to Favorite Tutorial and Lifestyle channel. On this channel, I share YouTube growth tips, content creation strategies, and how to grow your YouTube channel fast. If this sounds interesting to you, remember to like this video, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so whenever I drop videos like this, you will get notified. Without saying much, come, let's dive into the video. Let's start with the first step, which is creating your channel. You're going to head over to Now we're heading over to the Google app. You go to the Google, you type youtube.com, yes. When you type youtube.com, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. So this interface here, they're going to ask, is it for personal or for a brand? The channel, is it for a personal or for a brand use? So you're going to choose one and you're going to type in your name. That is your real government name. That's what you're typing in here. After typing in, they're going to take you to where you write your date of birth and the rest. You're going to type in your date of birth correctly, the one on your government ID. Please remember that you're going to type the month and the year correctly. You're going to choose your gender also. They'll ask you to choose your gender. After choosing your gender, the next interface they're going to bring is here. Here you're going to choose an email address, or they're going to give you option, because I used the option they gave me here. So you're going to give you option and you choose. You're going to create a strong password for the channel. A strong password. Remember to always create a strong password for your channel so they do not hack your channel. So after creating a strong password for your channel, they're going to bring it to an interface that looks like this. So the next one, remember to save your password. Then the next one, they're going to tell you to that you should, confirm this, confirm that, a lot of confirmation. Just follow the guidelines strictly. So here they're going to tell you to choose whether to confirm in 1 way or in 4 ways. So then after that, you're going to confirm. Though I choose in 1 way, which is faster. So here, confirm a lot of rules. I'm going to ask you to confirm a lot of rules. So after the confirmation and all that, we're going to go back to our YouTube app. Yeah, we're going to go back to the main YouTube app. So this main YouTube app, you're going to, because I already have a channel, so it's going to show like this. Even though you don't have a channel, it's going to show you some videos and shorts, but then I have a channel, so it's going to show my channel first. I had to log out my channel and I have to log in to show this tutorial appropriately. So here I've logged in our new channel. So look at this place arrow is pointing. That's where you're going to touch and it's going to show you create channel. You get, then you put in your picture. This is where you're supposed to put your picture if you have one. You change, if you want to change the channel's name, because it's going to be bearing your real name. So here you change your channel name to what you want, whatever you want your channel to be. This is just a tutorial, so I'm just going to type. I might not use this channel, but I'm going to just type in what is in my head now. So now our channel is created. You can see, right, our channel is created and ready for use. The next thing you're going to do is choosing your niche. Your niche is what your channel is going to be about. We have different types of niche in 2026. We have the cooking niche, we have the lifestyle, we have DIY, we have the AI niche. I know most of us are confused about what to go into. Most of us do not have an experience. Come closer. This is where you have to make ChatGPT your friend. You go to ChatGPT, type more. He's going to list a lot of niches for you. After listing those niches for you, ask yourself, which one am I going to do well in? Which one can I create over 10 videos without getting bored, or without really breaking out, or without burning out? Ask yourself those questions. Pick a niche and grow. Why? Choose a niche you can be consistent with, because consistency grows your channel. You consistently doing it grows your channel. It's a reward consistency. If you keep changing topics, today you're doing AI, tomorrow you're doing relationship, next tomorrow you're doing tech review, you're doing celebrity news, YouTube might be confused. The algorithm might be confused on people to push your video to. So you have to choose a niche and be consistent with it. Being consistent will make it faster for you to grow your channel. Next, before uploading anything on your channel, plan your first 5 to 10 videos, 5 to 7 videos. Do not just make one video and start posting. You may be wondering, why did I say 5 video? Why did I say 7 video? Why did I say 10 video? Many beginners stop after posting the first, second, and third video. Why? Because we are human. When you make 5 to 7 or 10 videos, after posting the first 3, you might want to quit. You might want to give up. Beside your first 5, 7, or 10 videos, let's say for example your niche on YouTube is how to cook. You can list your videos down. You can decide your videos. You can do how to cook a greasy, how to cook ogbono, how to cook English breakfast, how to cook different foods. You decided, then you shoot. After shooting, you save that to your phone. Planning ahead will help you to stay consistent. Planning ahead will make it easier and help you stay consistent. And consistency, my friend, will help you grow faster on YouTube. And consistency, my friend, is one of the biggest secrets. Now, let's talk about recording your first video. So your first video, you do not need expensive equipment. You do not need expensive camera. You do not need to get those very expensive lighting. Start like this. Start in the day. If there is lightning, open your windows. If you are make sure you're in a very well lighted environment, because the most important thing in creating a video is lightning. You do not have tripod, you do not have lead light, no problem. Open your windows, open your door, let the natural light reflect. Secondly, your audio. Background noises get to reduce the quality of your video. When you're making a video and there are a lot of background noises, your audience may not be able to hear you clearly. What do? Make sure you speak loudly. In case you do not have a microphone, make sure you speak loudly. Your voice is very audible, that people afar can hear you. Another thing is camera angle. The next we are going to talk about is your camera angle. Remember that while shooting your YouTube video, your camera should be set. In case you're using a smartphone, your camera should be set on. Camera should be horizontal, not vertical, while you're shooting a YouTube video. Remember that your video do not have to be perfect. You just have to start, because each video you upload, you know where you damn your weakness. Check where there is loophole, and you do better in your next video. Remember that the most important thing is for you to start first. Start that video. Stop planning. Don't overthink. Don't overthink it. Don't try to make it perfect. Start now. Our video is ready and it's time for you to upload. Now our video is ready and it's time for you to upload. Before you upload, check your title. Title is one very important thing on YouTube. Your title tells YouTube and also tells your audience what your video is all about. If your video is how to sweep the house, or let's say your video is how to make a greasy soup, or your video is how to create thumbnails, and you do not put title and tell YouTube that, oh, my video is about how to create title. My video is about how to create. Secondly, your thumbnail. People should look at your thumbnail and know what your video is all about. Your thumbnail should be eye-catching. You should make people want to click your video and watch. People should understand your video topic just by looking at your thumbnail. Thirdly is description. Remember to put keywords in your description. Keywords relating to the topic you're talking about. Keywords related to your niche. Always put keywords in your description so that YouTube algorithm will know the right audience, people who needs to watch your video, the right audience to always push your videos. My video is about how to create thumbnail or how to cook a greasy soup. How would your audience know? How would YouTube know that your video is about how to do something? Finally, my friend, be consistent. One of the mistakes one of the mistakes new YouTubers make is posting and stopping. You being consistent does not mean you have to upload every day. Consistency means uploading a video and maintaining the momentum, uploading a video and maintaining the scheduled time you're supposed to upload. For example, if you upload on Wednesday, make sure that every Wednesday you're uploading. If it's on Tuesday, make sure you're uploading on Tuesday. If it's at 10 a.m., make sure you're uploading at 10 a.m. every Wednesday, every Tuesday, every Thursday, 4 times in a week. If you're going to maintain 4 times in a week, 3 times in a week, do not just do it for 1 week and you stop. Make sure you consistently maintain that momentum, you maintain that schedule. Remember, my friends, the more videos you upload, the more views you get, the more chances of you getting a viral video. Many channels did not grow to their 10th, 20th or 30th video. Your 30th video might be the beginning of growth for your channel.